What's up, y'all? It's your boy Navari Carter, multi-award-winning graphic designer and brand strategist. And today, we're going to be talking about how to install a Facebook pixel on your website. Log into your Facebook. I'm logged in on mine already. And you want to go up here, if you have your business page or whatever, you go up there to your pages, you click on it and select your business page or like page, whatever the case may be. All right. And so once you go on your like page, and you're on mine right now, you want to make sure you go down to your ad sensor on the left, hit that drop down menu and hit all ads, right? And from there, you can just go to ads manager. And once your ads manager come up over here on the left side, this little menu right here, the business tools, you want to click on that and go to events manager. Right, and then from here, if you don't have a Facebook, if you don't have a Facebook pixel, what you want to do from this point is they'll allow you to actually download your Facebook pixel from this screen moving forward, and they'll give you an actual ID number for it, which you'll see like right here, this number, right? And with this number, since we already have ours downloaded, you're going to take that number, right, and we're going to go to our WordPress website. Now again, this varies going from what platform your website is built on. Mine is in WordPress, so we're just going to do a quick WordPress tutorial for today of how to install a Facebook pixel. But if your site is on WordPress, you can do the exact same thing I'm doing right now. And so once you're at your dashboard, you want to go down to your plugins. You want to hit add new. And this is the quick and easy way for you to actually download a Facebook pixel. There's more than one way. You can actually install it in the header, with just coding, and it'll be in there. Or you can go ahead and install this official Facebook plugin, which we're going to do. We're going to install it now. So we're going to go ahead and activate it once it's finished installing. And once it's finished loading, it'll bring you back to your plugins page, and down here you should see an official Facebook pixel. All right, so first thing you want to do, you want to hit their settings, and you will come to Facebook settings where it asks you to drop your pixel ID here. So if you remember, when you get your Facebook pixel ID, you want to copy that ID number, right? So you want to bring it back over here. Since we already copied it, we're going to paste it in right there. And from there, we're just going to save the changes. Let it fall to complete. Settings saved, and that's it. And so now if you go back to your Facebook page, you can refresh it. Your Facebook pixel is installed in there. So now when you have events, from a new website, so you have the option here to use a partner integration or install code manually to your site. Either way, right? But once we have this installed in, you'll see the tracking information here from people on your site. So whenever you run ads on Facebook pixel, or when people visit your site and then they go back on Facebook later on, and you have ads on your Explorer page, when you first coming down, this is exactly how they do it, right? And this will actually draw back clients to your site, more customers, if they abandon a cart on your site or whatnot. So this is a quick little hint, of actually how to do that using Facebook pixel, and hopefully utilize it for the best of your abilities for your company to reach your goals. All right.